This is Indie Artist News, Artist News. 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 Check it. This is Indie Artist News, Artist News. Welcome to Indie Artist News. I'm your host, The Grinder, bringing you the latest in the world of independent artists. Pittsburgh natives, Woo Lords, are taking the hip-hop scene by storm. Even at their young ages, 11, 13, and 17, MCs Z1 Nation, Lord Elite, and D.I.G.I., the Woo Lords, are veterans in the music game. They have been performing for years. Now recently aligned with the Wu-Tang Clan, Woo Lords implement the teachings of Sun Tzu's Art of War into their music. The Woo Lords bring action-packed, intelligent, and edgy lyrical aspects to the art of hip-hop. The Woo Lords' motto, knowledge over nonsense, with their main objective being keeping hip-hop pure, getting into the minds, hearts, and souls of the masses. JPB TV recently caught up with the Woo Lords. Check it out.
It's the Bud Bush of JPBTV.com. We out here with the Woo Lords at Frankie's in Pittsburgh, PA, man. They just got off the stage, ripping it up. Tell everybody what your name is.
Yo, it's your boy Lord Elite, aka Eddie Rez, representing the Woo Lords, Wu-Tang on the Lords all day. You already know what's going down.
Yes, sir, and you?
Ziggity Z, Wiggity One, Niggity Nate, sharing that dome, liggity rap, speak legendary statements, man. Woo Lords all day.
Yes, sir, and you? Come on over here. You powerful. What's your name is?
D.I.G.I. shotgun that I was kidding. Before I came in the game and knew I was winning, I didn't come in the game to fit in. Oh boy.
Still doing that. Woo Lords rocking with the Wu-Tang right now, you know. A lot of change, you know. And the journey's been long, hard work and dedication, but we still on it, you know. And reaching what we gotta reach and doing what we gotta do.
You know what I mean? It's the Art of War. That's what we represent right now. The Art of War, 13 chapters, man. We taking the lessons of the Sun Tzu's book, Art of War, and we're implementing his lessons into our music. You know what I mean? So that's the journey we on. All 13 chapters is becoming all 13 albums.
As you can see, these three young men are highly focused and ready to take hip-hop to a whole different level. Learn more about the Woo Lords and their music and upcoming events at www.woolords.com. IAN is sponsored by
The Film C Hour, Monday through Friday, 6 to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Peep the best independent hip-hop videos from the hottest ladies in the game. The Film C Hour, 6 to 7 p.m. only on the network, jpbtv.com. Log on.
Rising Star, Rising Star, Rising Star. Shanika LaVey is one of Pittsburgh's fierce and thriving models, with a following of mania and praise for her runway walk, unique fashion sense, and charismatic and charming personality. Shanika always has a smile on her face. Her compassionate, warm, driven, and sophisticated personality not only exudes inward, but outward. Shanika is building her brand, Chave, on elegance, boldness, and sexiness. She has established herself by participating in a variety of fashion shows such as Willie G's Fashion Over War, online magazine prints like One Fashion Place, and is currently in the works of co-hosting a Pittsburgh-based talk show focused on women empowerment. Learn more about this rising star on ShanikaLaVey.weebly.com.
Do your homework. 1981 was a huge year for hip-hop first. Grandmaster Flash released The Adventures of Grandmaster Flash on the Wheels of Steel, the first record to ultimately capture the sounds of a live DJ scratching on wax. 1981 was also the year the Funky 4 plus One More performed their classic hit, That's the Joint, on NBC's Saturday Night Live, becoming the first hip-hop group to appear on national television. Do your homework.
IAN is sponsored by
Square One Radio.
To your health. Whole grains. Did you know? Artists use tons of energy. Choose healthy carbohydrates and fiber sources, especially whole grains, for long-lasting energy. Brown rice, whole grain pasta, and breads are the best. Whole grains are rich in antioxidants, so in addition to increasing your energy, they can also help protect against coronary heart disease, certain cancers, and diabetes. Consult your doctor about adding more whole grains to your diet, and this is to your health. IAN is sponsored by
The Ultimate Promo Package, your own magazine. Send your magazine directly to all industry contacts and fans. Post your magazine to social networks, and your magazine is viewable on mobile, tablet, desktops, and laptops. Get your magazine. Contact VIP@hoodaccess.com.
We trust you enjoy Indie Artist News. We need your feedback. Hit us up on Facebook at Indie Artist News, on Twitter at Indie Artist News, and on YouTube at Indie Artist News. You can also watch Indie Artist News on hoodaccess.com and jpbtv.com on demand. I'm your host, The Grounder for Indie Artist News. See you next time. Check it. This is Indie Artist News. Artist News. 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 Check it. This is Indie Artist News. Artist News.